the pattern I'm going to show you is called collab, guys. This is something that has been giving me subscribers massively online. I'm going to reveal this to you now. All right, so what we are going to do is, once you open your YouTube, once you open your YouTube homepage, and don't forget, guys, there's a secret. The secret is that YouTube are pushing shorts more than long videos. So if you've been creating long videos all along, long videos without creating shorts, you are doing it, you are definitely going to miss out when it comes to getting subscribers. If you know your target is getting subscribers, then what you should be doing is to be creating more shorts. Create more shorts, guys. More shorts based on your target and based on your niche. Now, if you know what you want is watch hours, that's where you can create more long videos. All right. So as YouTube are putting shorts, now what I'm going to show you is how you can use